G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Jetskis Garage. This time, I'm going to tell you why my shed's empty at the moment. So, things have been a bit quiet of late, for the simple fact that I have been pretty flat out. Got married recently, and as typical fashion as people do, they tend to try and get a car done in time for the wedding, and that was me and my coupe. And it took a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of help from some good mates as well. Got it there, actually got it done. It did what it needed to do for the day, no issues. Still obviously have a few things to iron out. It's definitely not perfect by any means, but had issues with paint and a couple other little teething issues as you find when you're building a car. But yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been doing many videos of late. But yeah, hopefully now that's all done, get a few more out there for you, a couple of different cars and different people and stuff like that. We've got some projects going on, so I'll go over mine a little bit as well, and where it's gone from and where it is now, and a few other things I've got to change and modify. So yeah, keep tuned for that one. So at the moment the coupe's at the father-in-law's place. Just giving me a bit of space so I can clean up. I've got a bit of crap lying around, shed's a bit of a pigsty because I haven't had time to clean up at all. So yeah, just spending a bit of time with nothing here at the moment so I can do a good decent organisation, get rid of some of the parts I don't need anymore. But yeah, to keep you guys a bit entertained, did a bit of footage on the 1951 F1 that I got. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one and talk soon. Now, as we all have done before, we have a mate that has something for sale, and we never wanted it before we had it for sale. And then he goes to sell it, and you're like, well, actually, I actually do kind of want that. That's what this is. Complete spare of the moment, just because I had nothing in my shed at the time. Had an engine, got a 427 Cleavor that I'm doing. So I had this engine I was building, no car to put it in. I thought, why not this? So this is a F1. Before they were F100s and whatnot, they were rated just F1 or F6 and that. So this is actually a genuine right-hand drive. If I can open that door. And it's a bucket. It is a bucket of shit, but I still love it. How you see it is pretty much how I got it. That's actually the diff out of my coupe. It's a 6-cylinder diff. So I put the 9-inch in my coupe, so if I bring this one down here, at least I can sort of get it rolling. But yeah, we'll get a bit more of a walk around on this thing, and yeah, you can have a bit of a check. So the chassis is actually pretty good on this. It's not too bad, really. Yes, surface rust, but as structural wise, it's pretty good. Cab's shit down the bottom, but the point that makes it a genuine step side is this bracket here. So with that bracket being riveted there, it's the genuine bracket for the step. A lot of these were farm trucks that just got converted, but yeah, the farm trucks didn't have that. So yes, one day this may very well be something. You can buy pretty much every repair panel for this. You can buy roofs, you can buy the whole back of the cab, you can buy a whole bonnet. So plenty of room in the engine bay. Stacks, and bonnets, shit house. Everything's sort of pretty shit house, but yeah, I don't know. Don't know what's going to happen to it. I'm starting to think now I've got my coupe, may very well just get a Fairlane or something like that with a Cleavor or a Windsor and just a whole drivetrain, and just see if I can put a whole drivetrain on it, not even bother getting it on the road. Just yeah, whack a drivetrain in and just have fun with it, take it to track days or whatever else. So but yeah, that's just a little fill in on another little project that I have. Yeah, it'll be a long time till probably that gets to it, but yeah, should be a hell of a lot of fun when it does. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.